Alright, in class 5 here we're going to have a pull-off between George and his Bohlins and Dave over there in the back on his case. We got about, I think it's about 1,800 on the boat. This is class 5. This should be a final, unless they both get full pulls. Let's go, George. Let that little red rip. Pulling tractor. Let's see what it can do here today. Better shut up or I'm going to jinx him. Holy shit, ran out of motor.
We found his limit.
Uh-oh. Well, what did he get on that?
20 inches.
20 inches. So Dave's got to pull to beat 20 inches. Dave's coming up with that little case. I think it's a 222 or 224. I don't know which. Can't tell from here. Dave does a lot of pulling up there. His kids pull it. We're at New Milford, September 2015.
Our pullback tractor is donated here.
Dave's looking for
Lambert Fire LLC.
looking for a line to pull.
He just pulled me over there. It was a son-in-law's tractor.
Let's see what Dave can do with that
I have a
case.
name on it to thank him. I'll let this get
Needs to
past
be
it
20 inches. Got a pretty stiff angle there. Uh-oh. Let's see what he got here.
Not bad.
19 inches. All right, I get George ribbon in that. We're,
all right, bring that back to 800.
all right, we're going to start class 6 here in a little bit as soon as they get the boat and the track straightened out and the personnel in line.